As a mission to make awareness about Tata Motors and its features, Frank Motors, an authorized dealer of Tata Motors in Shillong, on 28th of May 2022, organized on-road and off-road test drive. The drive flagged off from its showroom Laitkor Rngi till Milim via Lat Nongkrem and concluded back in the showroom. The company claims three important upscale in Tata Motors: design, safety and driving pleasure. Media persons from different houses, both from print and electronic, participate in test drive. As many as 4 vehicles, including Tata Harrier, Nexon, Ultras and Punch, were put into the road for the test drive.
Actually, I came to experience the road show here. We're going to take a test ride from here to Milim, back. But since the weather didn't permit us, but anyways, we would like to try in any kind of weather. So I'm looking forward to take a test ride, especially on this new Nexon. And we have 3 more SUVs out there, like the Punch, the Harrier and the Safari. But for now, for today, we go take a test ride on the Nexon. And I'm eagerly waiting for the Nexon EV. I want to experience the power of the electric vehicles also.